So here's the before of the room, and the paint is awful. Not only the color, but the way they painted. We're gonna be taking care of one of these two, closing them, and painting the entire room in a light pink. So this is the first time the sunroom is gonna change. I'm so excited. I'm curious. We took everything out, painters are here, and I cannot wait to see this room finished. But here it is. I'll show you the after once everything is done. Hello you guys, and welcome to another Vlogmas day. Today I'm gonna show you a bit of how the sunroom is looking, and now that painters have been working on this room for 1 day. It's the second day. It'll probably, I'm thinking, it's gonna last 3 days, so a pretty quick job. I am already super impressed with this new crew. They're gonna be done by tomorrow. So they just did the drywall up here. We did have 2 vents. One of them obviously was not working, so we removed it and they patched it. So we're gonna just have the 1 vent, and it's gonna look so pretty once it's done. All of the windows are covered, and that's all the junk that came out of that vent. But yeah, they've done so much. I'm excited. It's gonna look so pretty. And I was very concerned about this room because this is the room that I work in every day, where I edit all of these videos and where I work my 9 to 5. So I wanted to make sure that the space I was going to be in every single day for multiple, like half the day, was going to make me feel good, you know, not like stress me out with this. I don't even know what color this is. This is like a purple blue that is just horrible to me. And then those, look at the ceiling. I think I showed this before, but this is the main problem that I had. On top of the color being so bad, like there's like splotches of paint everywhere. Like a horrible job was done whenever they painted this specific room. In general, the house is like this at a lot of the rooms, but this one is the worst. So yay, making some progress. Here is the purple still on, but ceiling is looking very white and well painted. So now we're just gonna wait for primer on the walls. We're gonna be doing like a pink primer similar to the pink that we're gonna have on the actual walls. And this is going to be a beautiful sunroom once it is, of course, completed. Good morning. Don't mind the mess, but we've got the first primer coat done, and I wanted to show you. It's very gloomy and rainy outside, so there's not a lot of light, but it is already looking so much better, and the white paint is already done, like not done, it's already dry. There you go, it's already dry. It's a beautiful oil base. That's what we wanted for all the white trimming around the house, because that's the original way the house was, with oil. But anyway, the walls are latex. But yeah, this is the primer, and it is close, very close to the color that the actual walls are going to be. But you can still see that horrible blue underneath. But yeah, this is such a pretty color. And here I'm gonna have a very beautiful red velvet couch, and I want to get a tall lamp, like a floor lamp, which I just noticed there's no outlet on the bottom right here on this side. Well, anyway, we'll figure it out. But yeah, here is the room so far. I'm excited. Today I am going to be doing kind of like a vlog, not really style video, but I just wanna basically film, because today is the last day that my closet slash vanity attached to my master. So these are the French doors that are attached to my master bedroom. So this is the entrance of our room, my beautiful pink Christmas tree, Dana right there. And then you have these 2 big French doors that right now are open completely. So this room is gonna be painted tomorrow, and we are gonna go with a white shade with pink undertones. So it's called Marshmallow by Sharon Williams. But I wanted to show you the room. It looks so big and airy, and right now that it's almost empty. I did clean up that section. Usually I have some shoes there, like a shoe rack. Then we had those horrible black curtains that were here whenever we got the house. Removed those. The mirror, Michael literally just put it up. My vanity, which is not very clean. And then back there is a mess, so kind of ignore the mess. I need to put all that away and then finally fix it once this is redone. All of the shelves are gonna be painted. The walls are gonna be that marshmallow shade, and all the white is still gonna be white, like how would you call this, like a real white, I guess. And it is oil-based paint, so this is gonna be base oil, and this is gonna be latex. And this is a previous from the previous paint job that we just did literally 2 weeks ago. The painter did a great job at painting all around to the sunroom. So I actually thought I had some footage from this room, but somehow it disappeared. I have no clue. I swore that I had it, but it's gone. So this room was a horrible blue purple, and we ended up painting it this beautiful light airy pink. And again, all the white is just white oil-based paint. I don't know the exact name. I think it's just like a pure white or something along those lines. Painters are here and everything is set up on the floor. And the one great thing they just did, they fixed this French door. So you see it's 2 French doors. This one did close perfectly fine. It has a little thing in the back that you kind of like just put up there and it's good. But then this one didn't close. So we always had to put actually right here, we always had to put that suitcase so it could close. But now it closes perfectly fine, and oh my goodness. Here is one of the guys. They're gonna attempt, I'm so scared they're gonna fall. They're gonna attempt to open those French doors because they're like sealed or locked somehow. So they're gonna try to see if they can open them, you know, for just so we can actually use them. But I'm so scared they're gonna fall. I'm like, please be very careful. Because that thing is tall. There's Michael down there. And you can see him right there. Because we told him, like, I don't know if that little balcony is going to be able to hold any weight. Because it's been there forever. And God knows when was the last time that was actually used as a balcony. So he's trying to figure out what is wrong with the doors, that they don't open. Hey you guys, so welcome back to what would be probably the last part of this video. It's been a long one, and I just wanted to take you kind of like through the slow process of what we've been doing. And also I wanted to end this vlog by sitting with Michael and chatting a little bit about the home updates. We did mention in our very last vlog, like way back, that we have bought the house and we're working on some remodels. We did show you the one remodel that we did, which was mostly paint on the downstairs room, which is our tea room. But today, we have the reveal of the room that's the last one we painted. I think you did have a little bit of, I did do a little roll of what this room looked like before. So Michael and I are gonna show you how the room ended up looking like. We are absolutely in love and we found the perfect paint, and that same color is the one that we're gonna be using across the entire house. Well, first floor, second floor, there you go, I cannot talk. Anyway, Michael's here with me, so we're gonna start to show you that room. There's of course no furniture, it is just like it was, but we kind of like moved things around and I think it looks much better. At some point we will be getting that room with furniture that's gonna be very pretty, but for now it works. So let's go ahead and show you real quick. There's no, whoops, I'm like stepping on our Christmas presents. So let's go ahead and show you real quick. We walk towards the room. Here is of course the master room door, and here are the beautiful French doors. Before we did all this, there were some curtains covering. We decided after we took them out, because we're gonna paint, that we love how it looks with no curtains. So it looks absolutely stunning. And another thing is this door right here did not close, so the painter had a carpenter over with him that was able to fix actually both of our doors. So our master door also did not close, so they fixed both, and we are so happy to have 2 functioning doors, actually 3 functioning doors in our room. And welcome to my vanity closet room. We are extremely in love with this room, how it turned out, and the French doors open side to side. This one already worked, but this one now opens and closes without any issue. And this is a color we went for. So last time I showed you the office sunroom, I'll show it to you again. The color is Marshmallow by Sherwin-Williams, and we're just in love. In certain lights, it shows white, and then in another light, it looks like a pink undertone. So you can see here, when you turn on the lights up there, you can see that it looks like more pinkish. And you can see back there where the shelves are, and when Pin is taking some sun, it looks more white. So it's a beautiful shade.
If you turn this way, you might see some cream.
Yeah.
So it has sort of a undertone, a pink cream undertone.
Yeah, it's very dimensional. It actually it's officially is like a red undertone, but in different lights it looks a little bit pink, it looks a little bit melony. It's just beautiful. And I decided to turn this section to be kind of like my dressing, where I keep my shoes and some clothes. Of course I have more clothes in my closet, but this is where I attempt to keep what I'm rotating through, or in this case right now it's like my blazers and more winter coats. And there's Lisita. And this room is a mess because it was just random stuff that we had in this room, but for the paint. But might as well just show you how we've already seen this. This is the room that we painted before the vanity room. So this is my sunroom, and beautiful pink. We went for I don't remember. And here's me also wearing full pink today. I can remember the color of the shade. I will leave it probably here in the screen, so you can, you know, if you're curious of that. But you can see here how both colors work very beautifully with each other. So this is the sunroom, and then we move to like a very light, faint pink, very white pink. We are in love. And here is Michael, and down there I just put for now my my tripods.
So this used to be an enclosed window.
Yeah, basically. It was French doors, but they were like shut.
And what we've done is we had a carpenter out, and they reframed the inside of it and put this on hinges and took it apart. So now it's a door.
So there were no hinges before. So now we can actually use it as an actual door to open it up. And right now with the paint, it's because we used for the white is white oil base, so it's it got a little stuck, but it works. We can open it. So we're thinking about this more of like a breezy door. This is a balcony that actually works. You can stand on it, but it's very tiny. It's kind of dangerous because it's mostly for decoration, because look at the rail is like very, very short. But it's very cold right now. There's Rumba. Ramirez. And just like, you know, to open up the doors and make it a little more breezy. We're gonna be very careful, of course, because of the babies and Remus. But it's nice. And at some point, not so down the road, like sooner than later, we're gonna put a little screen to protect against little bugs, and of course to protect them from running out to the balcony, because it could be very dangerous. This is a beautiful room. For there, we're gonna hang my big mirror, and then I am planning on finding a beautiful chest of drawers antique to go right there.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, show this view from this side of the door.
Okay. Don't mind again my sunroom mess. I have to fix all that. But yeah, this is what the closet looks kind of like. If you're facing here and looking at the master, that's the master, which at some point, probably in the next maybe 3-4 months, we're gonna paint that master in this same marshmallow shade. Right now it's like an odd blue, very dark.
So to give an idea, these houses in the early 1900s, this would have been a closet but also a living space. So they would have had big armoires in here and seating areas and things like that. And they don't have closets in those type of homes, so we're gonna recreate that with this one.
We just wanted to do a quick little update on the house in general. We've had a lot of issues with our remodels. So when we bought the house, we also got like a remodel loan, and we hired a contractor. It was like the whole deal. We had to get like specific things with the contractor. We found one. We don't know this area. We're new to the area, so we don't know anyone. So we just got this random recommendation. We went for her, and things didn't turn out like we expected.
So we found a new contractor, and they're doing good work in our kitchen area, but it's still a long ways off. So it's going to take some time. We imagine about 2 or 3 months, and we will have a kitchen.
So we've been here for over 6 months, and we still don't have a kitchen. We demoed the entire kitchen. We demoed the downstairs full bath to make it a half bath. We wanted more like a powder room instead of like a full bath. So we still don't have any of that. My parents' bathroom is still like halfway done. It's like there's no tub. Like it's been a mess. It's been a lot of work in the process. Been wanting to be here, but yeah, we just wanted to do a quick update. We will be showing you, probably doing more vlogs as things progress, especially the kitchen, which is the biggest project. We found a really good contractor that they gave us the best option for our cabinets. I am in love with the kitchen we're going to have at some point, hopefully by end of
March.
Yeah, I think like end of
Realistically,
March.
around March.
Yeah, because okay, we have a table here. But yeah, anyway, I think that's everything we wanted to just talk about with this vlog. Just kind of like show you this room, which slowly we're painting. I never thought painting a room would be so expensive. But there's Pete. But yeah, especially we have like very high ceilings, like tall ceilings. So Pete is like doing his own thing, scratching. Leave him. So anyway, I think we're gonna end it here. Things get a little out of hand with Pinto right here. But yeah, we'll continue to update you guys and show you more of the house as work progresses. Thank you for watching. I think this is going to be our very last Vlogmas video of this time. Things got really busy. I did my best and I tried to upload as much as I could. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like always, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me any comments below if you have any questions about the house, the progress, or let me know if you enjoyed Vlogmas. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!